You're watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, green dentistry. And with us, we have the co-founder of the Eco-Dentistry Association, Dr. Fred Pokras. You know, they say if you want to be talked about, if you want to be talked about, be worth talking about. And this is one of those things, I guess, you know, people are going to say, you know, I've never been to a dentist like this before. Or you've got to meet my dentist, right?
Right.
They probably say that about you. So have you seen, because in a tough economy, is your practice growing? And do you give your green approach, this philosophy and approach to technology and going green? Is it I mean, can you prove it in your own numbers?
Well, we started the, I've been practicing for over 30 years. Okay. In 2003, we opened up our practice in Berkeley called Transdentist. We became the very first green dental practice in the country. And we did this as a scratch practice. And at that time, people were saying, oh, you guys will never survive, you won't make it. And it turns out that not only have we survived and thrived, within 5 years, we entered into the top 10% of revenue producing practices in the country. And
interesting.
These have been tough economic times, and I feel everybody's pain. And I have to say, from our perspective, we have not experienced a down year. In fact, we've experienced growth every single year that we've been practicing. And this is for a single doctor practice. So I would say that a green dental practice not only is good for the environment, but it's good for profit. It's called the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit. And we've proven that in every single possible way. Our team members are happy, our patients are happy. We have a word of mouth practice. We don't do any external advertising, where we get referrals from friends and family. People talk about us all the time. And I'm just so honored to be able to serve my community in that way and to be able to do something good for people and also to have a profitable business.
Will you be sharing some of these techniques at the conference? I know you have a membership, or I'm calling it a membership. There's the Eco-Dentistry Association. Is it a membership?
It is. It's a membership organization.
And you share some of your systems?
We will. One of the things that I'm going to be talking about is my own personal journey of becoming a green dentist. I'm also going to be sharing some secrets and tips and techniques of meditation. So one of my own personal interests is the practice of meditation. I've been a lifelong meditator, and so I'm going to be co-teaching a course on meditation with Dr. Mark Abramson. Mark is a dentist who teaches at Stanford Medical Center, and he teaches mindfulness and meditation practices to medical students. So I'm going to have this great opportunity to teach with him. I want to be able to share meditation practices with dentists. You know, a lot of dental patients come to the dentist and they have a lot of fear and anxiety. So if I can instill that sense of calmness with all of my patients, it just makes the dental appointment go so much easier and so much better. It communicates to the patients that I really care about you, and it allows to just create a space of calm, and it's enjoyable, a much more enjoyable way to practice.
Because people don't like going to the dentist. No doubt about it.
Right. By and large, people have a lot of fear about going to the dentist. So we do a little meditation technique with all of our patients whenever they come in for dental work. We also provide foot massage for all of our patients. So whenever they get their teeth cleaned, they get a foot massage. When they have their dental work done, they get a foot massage. We even do a simple meditation breathing. We do a meditation breathing technique with all of our patients. We have everybody just calm down for a moment. Take a few breaths. Take a nice deep in-breath. Take a nice deep out-breath. And just take a moment to center.
Right. Somebody watching this, a dentist, that is considering going to the conference.
Right.
What do you say to them?
Doctor, you have such a tremendous opportunity to impact your patients and your community. And I know that for a lot of doctors, they feel like they're lone wolves that are practicing in their own isolated little dental practice. This is a way for you to really become part of a much larger community, be part of a much larger conversation, and recognize that you're not alone. Okay. That some of the innovations that you've been thinking of, this is an opportunity to share in a more intimate setting. We'll have a chance to get to know each other. We'll have a chance to share best practices, and we really have a chance to impact not only our patients, but really do something good for all of our communities. Green is not just one color, it's a continuum. So wherever you are on the continuum, if you're a forward-thinking practitioner, even if you're a practitioner that's thinking about what's next, how can I get into the next level of practice, this is the opportunity for you to learn new techniques, share what you've learned with all of us, because we learn by learning from the things that other dentists have learned.
Is this the future of dentistry in your opinion?
In my opinion, this is the way that as we look in the future, it's not going to be that it's a way of practicing, it's the way that dentistry will always be practiced, and we'll go, why, geez, how come we didn't do that before?
Okay, good. I want to thank you for coming to the show. Very interesting.
Thank you so much, Randy.
You've been watching The Wellness Hour. I'm Randy Alvarez. We'll be right back.